You know that feeling when the alarm goes off and your whole body groans? You roll over, look at the clock, and it's clear. You're starting yet another day exhausted. Sleep, when done right, can transform not just your mornings but your entire life. It's time we talk about reclaiming the power of quality sleep and how it's the key to feeling like your best self every single day. Sleep is more than a time for rest. It's when your body recharges, repairs, and even strengthens. Think of it as the foundation for everything you do. When you're well rested, you're more focused, productive, and even-tempered. Imagine a life where you're not just awake, but truly alive. That's what quality sleep brings. Ever wonder what's happening during those precious hours of sleep? From light sleep to deep, restorative stages and REM, each phase plays a unique role in recovery. Mastering your sleep means understanding this cycle so your body can make the most of every minute you spend in bed. When we skimp on sleep, it's not just about feeling groggy. Poor sleep takes a silent toll on the body, leading to issues like heart disease, lowered immunity, and mental fog. It's a domino effect that affects your health, your work, and even your relationships. Sleep isn't optional, it's essential. Let's make your bedroom a sanctuary. Adjusting the temperature, investing in comfortable bedding, and removing distractions can create an environment that whispers, "It's time to relax." Your bedroom should be a space that invites calm and peace, a place where sleep comes naturally. Imagine winding down each evening with a ritual that tells your brain, we're getting ready for rest. Whether it's a gentle stretch, reading, or some deep breathing, these little routines help shift your mind from day to night, making it easier to drift into sleep. Here's a powerful tip. Use light to your advantage. Natural light during the day helps set your body's internal clock, and avoiding blue light at night can prevent those disruptive, wakeful moments. Use the sun during the day and dim warm lights as the evening closes in to encourage your body's natural rhythms. The way you move during the day can change how you rest at night. Exercise isn't just for fitness. It primes your body for better sleep. Find the right time for activity so it enhances your sleep without leaving you too wired to rest. Did you know what you eat can either help or hinder your sleep? Foods rich in magnesium or tryptophan can promote rest, while stimulants like caffeine can keep you wired. Nourish your body with what it needs to truly relax. Staying hydrated is essential, but there's a delicate balance. Too much fluid close to bedtime, and you'll find yourself waking up more often than you'd like. Keep water in check to avoid those unwanted nighttime interruptions. Naps can be a game changer if you master them. Short naps give you a quick boost, while too much sleep during the day can interfere with your night's rest. Learn the art of the perfect nap to stay alert without compromising your nighttime routine. Nothing disrupts sleep quite like an anxious mind. Manage daily stress and adopt pre-sleep practices like journaling or deep breathing to ease into a state of calm. A peaceful mind is a powerful ally for quality sleep. Practicing mindfulness or gentle meditation exercises can guide you into a restful state. Try techniques like deep breathing or progressive muscle relaxation to help quiet the mind and unwind the body. Science-backed supplements. Some people find help in natural sleep aids like melatonin or magnesium. Before diving in, understand how these supplements work, and remember, they're not one size fits all. Approach them with knowledge and caution. Temperature control. Body temperature plays a big role in sleep quality. Explore options like cooling pillows or breathable fabrics that align with your body's natural cooling processes, making it easier to stay asleep. Harnessing sound for sleep. Certain sounds, like white or pink noise, can drown out distractions and promote deeper rest. Try nature sounds or a calming white noise machine to see how sound can transform your sleep experience. The impact of a clutter-free room. A tidy space equals a tidy mind. Remove clutter and create a serene environment that invites relaxation and calm, a subtle but powerful way to prepare yourself for sleep. Timing your meals. Eating too close to bedtime can disrupt digestion, making it harder to fall asleep. Opt for light, nutrient-dense snacks in the evening to ease digestion and prevent discomfort. Using technology wisely. Leverage technology without letting it control your sleep. Apps that track your patterns can be useful, but be mindful not to rely too heavily on screens as bedtime approaches. Technology should work for you, not against your rest. Building consistent habits, like a set bedtime, reinforces your body's natural rhythm. These habits may be simple, but their impact on sleep quality is powerful and lasting. Insomnia, restless nights, and even apnea can interfere with sleep. Addressing these common issues and seeking help when necessary can make a world of difference. Think of each of these tips as small, intentional steps. Start where you're comfortable, build on what works, and find yourself gradually sleeping better. Waking up refreshed starts your day in harmony with your natural rhythms, leaving you energized and setting the tone for a productive and positive day. A solid morning routine is the perfect partner to a restful night. Overcoming nighttime disruptions is crucial. From temperature shifts to unexpected sounds, disruptions happen. Having a plan in place to handle them keeps you prepared for a smoother night's sleep. Sleep and mental health are deeply connected. Recognize the signs of mental health-related sleep issues and take steps to create a balanced, harmonious mind-body connection. Not everything we hear about sleep is true. Let go of myths and focus on the steps that actually improve rest, paving the way for informed, restful nights. Your sleep needs evolve with each stage of life. Learn to adapt your sleep practices to support your changing body, from youthful energy to the wisdom of age. Cultivating gratitude. A grateful mindset can be the perfect prelude to sleep. Simple gratitude practices can dissolve stress, making it easier to drift into peaceful rest. The role of consistency. Consistency is key. A regular sleep schedule strengthens your body's internal rhythms, making restful nights the norm. Letting go of perfect sleep. Perfect sleep doesn't exist, and that's okay. Small, steady improvements are what truly matter on your path to better sleep. Your sleep improvement journey. Celebrate every small win along the way. Track progress, recognize changes, and embrace the journey toward consistently restful nights. Sleep can transform your life. It's time to reclaim it step by step. So if you're ready to take the first step toward better nights and brighter days, start today. Your body, mind, and spirit are worth